Oh well, I just received a package. I wonder who is it from? Let's see what's in here. Well, one thing I can tell is nice packaging. Look, box inside a box, and a lot of packaging. Very good. Wow, and more packaging. You see? This is how you do it. Package over package. What can it be now? Oh yeah! Beautiful. Let's take it out. Here it is. Wow, this is really yellow. Actually, the light makes it look a lot lighter than it is. It is very yellow. So let's work on it. So we take out. We're gonna retrowrite this. But the most difficult part, oh beauty, look at this. Most difficult part is actually taking out the rest of it. Finally took it out. Sorry I couldn't tape it, I just had to pull it out with some pliers. More screws. This is a boring part. It has to be done. I took out the drive because it was in the middle of it. And I'm taking out right now the power supply because of course there is one more screw. I'm gonna tell you, trust me, but yeah, it is there. You don't have to trust me, just go and look at it. And it's out. Now I can take this, lift this up. There it is. Put it up. Move it to the side. There's the two torques I was missing. Mission accomplished. I got the front. And look at right, but it's done. That's Retrobrite. I'm gonna use 3% Retrobrite. So it doesn't get streaking or whatever you want to call it. And just gonna apply it nicely, even, and let's wait for a few hours. Sometimes it will be very fast, sometimes it will be very slow, so we just gotta be checking it every hour. And be careful, and it's better to start with a very soft one. The 3% is pretty soft. Nothing will happen to the letters. Actually, the letters will stand out more when Retrobrite is done. And that's it. I'll do the rest. A few hours later, and still a lot to go. Clean it up. I'll give it another try. And now presenting the Mac SE Platinum in all its glory. The label and the plastic match colors. And with another successful retrowriting, I thank you for being here. Ask you to please like, subscribe, and share. Tell your friends and comment a lot. Thank you very much again, and see you next time.